Which animal is known for sleeping up to 20 hours a day? Sloths are champion sleepers. What natural light display is often seen in very cold polar regions? It's also called the Northern Lights. What is the fastest land animal on Earth? Cheetahs can run incredibly fast. Why do cats typically purr? Cats purr when they're happy. Which unique plant catches and eats insects? The Venus flytrap is a carnivorous plant. What is the largest animal on Earth by size and weight? The blue whale is the biggest animal. Which animal is famous for changing its skin color to blend in with its surroundings? Chameleons use camouflage. Which reptile is famous for living for a very, very long time, sometimes over 100 years? Tortoises are known for longevity. Which small black and white animal sprays a stinky liquid as a defense when scared? Skunks spray a foul scent. Which common pet animal has an amazing sense of smell, much stronger than a human's? Dogs have a superior sense of smell. Which bird is famous for having the longest migration journey of any animal? Arctic terns travel pole to pole annually. Which insect is known for looking almost exactly like a twig or branch? Stick insects blend in with twigs. Which animal uses sound waves, called echolocation, to find its way and hunt in the dark? Bats use echoes to navigate and hunt. What body part do fish use to breathe underwater? Fish use gills to extract oxygen from water. How do male crickets make their chirping sound? Crickets chirp by rubbing their wings. Which large, black and white animal eats almost nothing but bamboo? Pandas famously eat only bamboo. Which animal can roll itself into a tight, armored ball when it feels threatened? Armadillos roll into a ball for defense. Which type of bird builds elaborate, decorated structures to attract a mate? Bowerbirds construct decorated bowers. How many arms or tentacles does an octopus typically have? Octopuses are known for having 8 arms. Which plant is famous for quickly folding its leaves inward when touched or shaken? Mimosa pudica leaves fold when touched. Which bird lays the largest egg in the world? Ostriches lay the largest eggs. Which sea creature is known for its ability to regrow lost arms? Starfish can regrow lost limbs. What is a group of lions commonly called? A group of lions is a pride. Which insect is primarily responsible for making honey? Bees make honey. Which unique mammal lays eggs instead of giving birth to live young? The platypus lays eggs. Why do tree leaves change color in the autumn before falling off? Less chlorophyll causes color change. What is the smallest bird in the world? The hummingbird is the smallest bird. Which common garden creature carries its shell, which is its home, on its back? Snails carry their shell homes. Which animal is famous for building large dams in rivers and streams? Beavers build dams. What is the scientific term for the amazing transformation of a caterpillar into a butterfly? Caterpillars undergo metamorphosis. What is a group of owls commonly called? A group of owls is called a parliament. Which small mammal builds spherical nests called drazen trees? Squirrels build drazen trees for shelter. What special feature allows geckos to walk upside down on ceilings and smooth surfaces? Geckos have millions of tiny hairs on their feet for grip. Which animal famously carries its young in a pouch? Kangaroos are marsupials known for their pouches. What natural phenomenon causes a rainbow to appear in the sky? Rainbows form when sunlight refracts through water droplets. Which sea animal is known for changing both its color and texture to hide? Cuttlefish are masters at changing their appearance for camouflage. What do polar bears primarily eat in their Arctic habitat? Polar bears' main diet consists of seals, providing necessary fat. What type of tree loses all its leaves each autumn? Deciduous trees shed their leaves annually in autumn. Which amphibian is famous for its incredible ability to regrow lost body parts, including limbs and organs? The axolotl is known for its remarkable regeneration capabilities. What distinct loud sound do male cicadas make to attract mates? Male cicadas produce a loud buzzing sound to attract females. Thanks for playing. Don't forget to subscribe.